256 games are in the books. We now have our final power rankings of the regular season. But instead of risers and fallers, we know we have 4 distinct tiers in the league. So let's break them down. The rebuilders. These teams had less than ideal seasons and will need to make drastic changes in the offseason to get back on track. No team feels more dysfunctional right now than Philadelphia. Who's our quarterback going forward? How are they going to fix his defense? Does the team still respect Doug Peterson? Yikes. Need tweaks to be a playoff team. Many of these teams were in striking distance of the playoffs and many had devastating injuries. The 49ers set records for players on IR. Dallas lost Dak, Giants lost Saquon. But the team to look out for next year is the LA Chargers. With young budding superstar Justin Herbert, they're one coach away from being elite. Dark horses. While the darling dark horses of Arizona and Miami missed the playoffs the final week of the season, the rest of these teams are still in the dance. But other than Tennessee, most of these teams look like one-and-dones, Super Bowl contenders. These are teams that will be competing for a trip to Tampa. In the NFC, it's the Packers conference to lose. But keep in mind, this is likely Drew Brees' last go at a championship. In the AFC, the Chiefs could face some serious competition with Josh Allen and the Bills.